So you're looking at here the separate grinder for the San Remo unit of a commercial coffee maker. There, this is the automatic grinder in which you can set how many grams you're gonna grind the coffee, which is what it's doing right now. And this is the commercial unit of San Remo. So this unit, you need a barista to operate the machine. What are you making? Espresso?
Espresso, yes. Steam.
Yes, they are coffee shop. Yes. They have No,
I'm just vlogging the machine, ma'am. Promoting it. So he's now doing the milk. So how many capacity cups is for one day for this machine?
300 cups.
200 cups?
300 cups.
300 cups a day. It can be more.
Yeah.
So there. Wow. So there, you got your very pretty coffee.
Oh wow! I love US.
So this machine, sir, how much is this one?
The machine 688,000.
688,000.
For the model.
So you got 2-year warranty for
2
this one.
years
Warranty.
Yes. So this one.
So this is for commercial use. For anyone who's thinking of opening a coffee shop, if you're located in offices or you even have your own hotel. I know some of my bloggers got their own, some of my viewers got their own business, and they are the one asking me about this. So it can create more than 300 cups a day. So you won't be disappointed. I'm looking at here the Longhe coffee maker. The Longhe is a brand from Italy and is now been here for over a decade here in the Philippines. But what you're looking at here, the models that are available here, that is good for home use. If you're a coffee fan or you're this is the grinder what you're looking at, but most of these are coffee machine with grinder. This is 16,800, and these are the other units of the coffee machine. So this model, it costs 18,900. And those are the 4 available colors that's available. And they also got the fully automatic coffee machines in which you don't need a separate grinder for your beans. You have the grinder within the machine itself. So you can see here, this is the Prima Donna exclusive. And that is the price, 158,800. You have the grinder on the side. And this is the other unit. Again, a fully automatic coffee machine for home use. This unit is only 118,800. This units I'm showing you is for home use. This is another fully automatic coffee machine. So Sir John, like how many capacity per cup for these machines?
This one, nasa ano lang siya. Ideal niya 50 cups a day.
50 cups a day. So you can see the fully automatic again is 50 cups a day. They come in those different colors and different models. This is the another fully automatic machine. And then you can just press to whatever coffee that you like, whether it's espresso or cappuccino. The machine itself
Yung iPhone. iPhone ka ba?
is designed to change the style of coffee that you want. This is 98,800. This is 108,779.75. But all of this is from Italy, DeLonghi, Italy. So you got the other models here. Again, this is also fully automatic coffee machine in which include the grinder on the back. So this is 73,800. So sir, ano ang difference nito at saka
So this one, main difference niya, this one, you have to manually froth the milk for the cappuccino.
okay
For this one, it comes with this milk container. Just attach the milk container.
on the side?
Yes.
Uh-uh.
Then it's
So
automatic.
okay, so although this is also called fully automatic, but you just have to press this one.
No, this one you have to buy as steaming feature.
Okay.
Then you have to manually froth the milk here.
Oh.
This one comes with this milk container.
So this is a manually frothing the the milk, steaming the milk. So this is a bit cheaper because you have to manually steam the milk on the side. That is only 73,800. This one here, this model is 68,800. And this one, it comes with automatic Manchester. It comes with an automatic frothing machine on the side. Comes in black and silver for 88,800. So DeLonghi have a branch in Manila, Cebu, and in Davao. They also got their service center. If you want any repairs or any parts, you can buy it here in their service centers. An office here in Cebu and in Manila. This model is like the single model for commercial use. The capacity is about 100 to 200 cups a day. This is a set of the manual coffee grinder on the side. So you can even choose the kind of coffee that you want, espresso, the cappuccino, just by the press of a button. Again, it comes from Italy with 2 years guarantee. San Remo is the brand.
Oh, pwede ba pa-deliver yun?
San Remo.
Ay, di ba, kasi Figo yung delivery nun eh. Pwede padala mo na lang
And this is the manual coffee grinder. But if you look at the commercial one, the big San Remo one, it comes with an automatic coffee grinder in which you can adjust the grams of how many cups of coffee you're gonna make. Ano ni sugar? So this one comes with 2 years warranty. And this is good for your commercial needs if you want to open a coffee shop, because the capacity is up to 300 cups of coffee a day. And the best thing about this one, it's automatic grinder in which you can adjust the grams of coffee that you're gonna make in one day or in one time use. So you can just input if how many grams, like 40-50 grams, and then here the frothing machine, you can froth the coffee, the milk to put in your coffee.
Kung di naman, talaga papaano natin.
Kailan ito nito?
Yes, ma'am.
288, 200, 600. This one, an investment of 688,000. But if you're planning, it will, your investment for this one will easily, the ROI will be easily coming through if you're located in areas where there's a lot of coffee drinkers. And the brand Sanremo is made in Italy, so you can see it's a durable product. It's already been known here around the Philippines as one of the best product for coffee machines, and the company is offering you 2 years warranty, parts and service for this machine. You could also buy the coffee blend of your choice here in DeLonghi. They got the house blend and the premium blend. So they are like special blends. If you want stronger coffee, you can have the house blend. And this is like the 40-60 blend of the premium blend.